Ulat ke Jylla Dr B D Mishra Leit Jngoh ke nongbah Tura Kyllalyngkot tarik Kyllalyngkot ban Pynstet Jingtrei jong tnat trei ke Sorkar district jong Garo khamtam leilei Tura West Garo Hills District. Jingiakynduh bat ki ophisar bapeit tnat trei bapher bat ki khlieh nongsynsar district ulat ulai khublei kitbok snem thymmai iabaroh bat kyntu ki bekilong ki bor bakongsan jong ke Sorkar Jylla ban wanrah ke miat ki pat nongshong ke Jylla ni ke than. Mishra ula banjur ki bor district ban sei ki but ki bor ban wanrah paho ki marbam ki balasdang banduna bat kerdo ni ke than. Ni ke Leit Jngoh ke Tura ulat iabaroh nongilam ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council bat kyntu ban pentrei lut plon ke pisa balamang na ke benta ke GHADC kenang bikin kiu ki penroy ki patba ke ni ke than. Deputy Commissioner ke West Garo Hills ke report jong ke Jingtrei ke jong ke ni ke district. Lale buram ru ulat da ke Tura campus North Eastern Hills University ni ke Leit Jngoh ke nongbah Tura. Lepet ke Jingtrei ke ying jong ulat Governor's House ke berangya chat chaprang ni kisngi.
One thing, education, this university. Second, the administration, and third, the development. Now, as far as the university is concerned, clearly there are three parts of it. One is the administration, the second one is the faculty, and third one is the students, those who study. And the third one that's most important. So as far as administration of the university is concerned, the administration, in addition to managing the affairs of the university, they must do crystal gauging, very important. They must do crystal gauging and look beyond what is apparent to everybody. And that is how it should go. The aim of the management of the university, of course, it should be a very good administration. But most importantly, what the next batch of students they should do and what will be better for them than this batch.